Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Quest and your PC so the install is smooth. Put the headset into developer mode through the Oculus mobile app, then connect via USB and accept the PC debugging prompt. On your computer, install ADB drivers or enable a DB in terminal and verify the headset appears with a DB devices. Once done, download the CX File Explorer APK to a known folder on your PC, because you'll push that exact file to the Quest in the next step. Now you sideload the APK onto the headset. From your PC, run a db install path/to/cx. App. If you prefer a GUI, use SideQuest to drag and drop the APK onto the device. If installation fails, check error text. Common issues are signature mismatches or existing package name conflicts. Once a DB reports success, use a DB shell PM list packages and grep for the CX package to confirm. Then make sure unknown sources is allowed in the headset. Finish by launching CX File Explorer inside the Quest and granting required storage permissions so the app can access internal and sideloaded files. If the app crashes or won't open, clear its data with a DB shell PM clear package. Name and relaunch. Sometimes uninstalling and reinstalling a different APK build fixes signature or compatibility problems. If issues persist, collect a DB logcat output to see errors, reboot the headset, and repeat installation. That log is the key troubleshooting tool if nothing else resolves the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.